Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Cat makes a great work boot sock. This is extra padded, very comfortable, reinforced stitching all around the sock, especially in the toe area, the heel, and then it has a nice grip here at the top, so it's not going to slide down on you when you are wearing your boots. And it's so important to have these, that way you don't get any blisters on your ankles. Very well made. I also really like the cat logo here on the bottom. The yellow color makes them stand out from the rest of your socks, especially if you have a lot of boot socks, then sometimes you just grab them all black or all white. And so when you have this nice bright logo, then you know exactly which pairs to match. And they wash really well, they don't shrink. So if you're looking for a new work boot sock, then I would highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.